Hello third graders, I'm going to walk you through filling out your Trickster tail paper today. The top part right here where you have the two boxes, this is all going to be filled out by using your Trickster tail anchor chart, this one right here that was on Schoology. So you'll need to use that to help you. So this first box, you will use the definition. That can be found right here. You'll fill in the blanks based on what you saw there. And what are some of the elements? You're going to use the things that you see in each of these four boxes. Those are the elements. So for example, they could be things like humor or animals with human-like qualities, things like that, okay? So you're gonna fill in all of those. And this box is very important because you're going to use these things when you're actually writing your essay below. And now I say essay and I don't want you to get scared because it is 5 paragraphs, but it will go by quick. I'm going to show you one using the text tops and bottoms because I don't want to do the same story you're doing or else it will give away all of the answers. So at least you've heard of tops and bottoms before, and tops and bottoms is another example of a trickster tale. So I'm going to show you how to go about this. So I'm going to, after I finish these, let's say I'm done with them, I'm going to come down here and it says title. So my title was tops and bottoms. I'll make sure it's capitalized. Tops and bottoms. So tops and bottoms is a story about and it says 1 sentence summary. So I'm just kind of summarizing it. So tops and bottoms is a story about a rabbit who tries to trick a bear into being his business partner. You'll notice I didn't give away the ending. I didn't give too much details. I just made it very general, okay? I kind of introduced the two characters, right? And really, I probably shouldn't have said rabbit. I probably should have said hare because that's his name. So it's about a hare who tries to trick a bear into being his business partner. The story, title again, tops and bottoms, is a trickster tale because it includes, and then it says reason 1, element 1, reason 2, element 2, reason 3, element 3. This is where you're going to use some of these bullet points. You're going to decide which of those is actually in my story. So one of my bullet points might have been humor. So I could say, because it includes humor, comma, it includes, what else does it include? It includes animal characters. So animal, maybe I could say human-like animals. Human-like animals. And what's another part about being a trickster tale? Someone gets tricked. And a character is tricked. Okay, so you can see I've just finished paragraph 1 and I've just completed that using these 3 reasons are 3 of the reasons from up here, okay? So now I'm going on to paragraph 2. Paragraph 2 says first, title, so tops and bottoms, I just repeat that. First, tops and bottoms is a trickster tale because, and then it says reason 1, element 1 from above. So my reason 1 was right here. My reason 1 was humor. So I would say because it is humorous. Now I can't just say because it's, or because humor, that doesn't make sense. So I had to change up the words a little bit because it is humorous. Then it says explain how or where it includes that element in your own words. So I need to explain why it's humorous, why it's funny. So it's funny how the hare changes the vegetables he grows. And now if my writing doesn't fit, I might need to squeeze it in, or I could type it. The text says, so you could see a comma, quotation mark. I need to find a quote that is describing that part where the hare is changing between growing one thing versus another. So we could say, I'm looking through my book. I could say, oh, here's a good one. It says, but hare, all the best parts are in your half. So, but hare, all the best parts are in your half. This is a sentence exactly from the book. This is obviously, and then I need to restate my point. Well, this one is all about it being humorous, so this is obviously funny because Bear didn't realize he would get nothing every time. Or Bear didn't realize he was getting nothing. Okay, now I'm on to my next paragraph. So we can see this was our introduction. This was our reason 1. Now we are moving on to our next paragraph, next body paragraph, which is all going to be about reason number 2. So another reason why, title, tops and bottoms, is a trickster tale is because, and now I'm going to look back at my reason number 2. Up here, my reason number 2 was that it has human-like animals in it. So is a trickster tale because it has human-like animals in it. Explain how or where in your own words. So both hare and bear act and speak to each other like humans. Now I need to find a quote that proves that. So I could maybe find a quote that proves that they act like humans. I'm thinking of the one where he asks to be business partners, right? So on page 313, it says, we can be business partners. Clearly, these animals act like humans. Animals don't run businesses. Period. Okay. Next, I need to go to my last reason. My last reason was that a character in the story is tricked. So this is my 4th paragraph. Oops. So last, tops and bottoms, is a trickster tale because someone gets tricked. Period. Now I need to explain in my own words in the story. Bear is tricked by the character Hare many times. Period. Now I need to find proof in my text that proves that he was tricked. So I could go to say, all right, oh, this one says, Bear growled, "You plant this field again, Hare. You've tricked me twice." So I could say, according to the text, comma, quotation mark, "You tricked me twice." That was something Bear said. It is clear that Bear was repeatedly tricked in the story. Period. Now I'm on to my conclusion paragraph. This one's easy. In conclusion, title, Tops and Bottoms, is a great example of a trickster tale because it has, well, what were my three reasons? My first one was up here. It was humor. So I need to say because it has humor, comma. My second one was human-like animals. So, comma, human-like animals, comma, and someone was tricked. Now, when you write yours today, you are not writing about tops and bottoms. You are going to be writing about the story Purple Coyote. So you're going to do the top part first. You're going to use the elements in your story to then pick 3 of them, just like I did. I picked humor, human-like animals, and a character is tricked. And then you're going to find some evidence and be filling in the blanks just like I did. If you want to take a screenshot of this so you see this format as you go, that might be helpful.